Hi, it's Leslie Meredith with Breakbulk Events and Media here at Breakbulk Europe. And our talks are all about trade, tariffs, and what's next. And I have Greg Borossay from Port of San Diego here with me in the studio. Welcome, Greg.
Thank you so much, Leslie. Appreciate it. Really happy to be here.
Well, we want to tap into your expertise. And certainly the hot topic these days is around trade and tariffs.
Of course.
And what can a port contribute to as a solution or help ease some of the pressure that has permeated the industry?
Well, certainly the ports have quite a bit that they can do in terms of helping with the situation. One of the programs that the Port of San Diego has been working on for a number of years is our FTZ, Foreign Trade Zone. And we put that in place initially to help during the post-COVID supply chain crisis where we were being hit with a plethora of vessels that just needed to come somewhere. So we saw the need, we put the FTZ in place. It's been used primarily for engine parts and other components that have come in for the automotive industry, but now we've opened it up where the entire terminal is an FTZ. And what that means for a project cargo shipper, for instance, is if they have indoor or outdoor cargo that's going to a project, perhaps in Arizona, Nevada, they don't have to bring all that cargo to the destination immediately. We can enter it into the FTZ and they are able to waive their duties, defer their duties, not entirely waive, but defer their duties and reduce them and only take the cargo out when it's needed.
It kind of reminds me of just-in-time delivery.
Yeah, it's just in time and with a little bit more thought to it. So what we've done as part of our program is we have retained legal advice, and we have an expert broker who manages the FTZ for the Port of San Diego, and that group can help consult with a project cargo opportunity or interested parties on a project as to what cargo can be applicable and can best take advantage of the FTZ, or what cargo might just want to clear duty and come in immediately. So we have both legal and customs broker expertise and a good relationship with CBP in San Diego to clear that cargo immediately when it needs to clear.
That's excellent. What about re-exporters?
Well, re-exporting is a little unique. We see some of it in San Diego because the cargo goes down to Mexico as an import. It might be getting worked on for a project, and then it gets re-exported to the U.S. There's U.S. content in there, and then it might go outbound to Japan, Korea, China, what have you. We're seeing more of that as we're getting nibbles on that because people, again, are trying to be creative about how they can address the tariff issue. And this is a nice way to do that because not only does it reduce the duties on the inbound leg, but also it allows the shipper to do what's called duty drawback and completely remove or eliminate those duties that have been paid. They can draw back those funds. Plus, they're really doing what the new administration wants to see happen, and as more production, more finishing of the products in the U.S. So we see one or two shippers that are already doing that. One is Solar Turbines in our area, and then we have another one that's working out of Mexico and re-exporting into California to go to the Japan market.
So that is so interesting. I mean, it sounds like, you've really developed this program at the right time.
Well, we're fortunate to have it in place. We're also fortunate to have knowledgeable experts helping us. And as I mentioned, the entire general use terminal is an FTZ. So we've got some flexibility. If we need more space, we can make that application and within a matter of weeks, make an accommodation for a particular project cargo.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for explaining those alternatives. I hope people take advantage of them because it's really very interesting.